Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stumbled upon a candlestick pattern that could unlock new trading opportunities? Today, we're diving into the powerful White Marubozu Candlestick pattern, your potential ticket to identifying bullish signals like a pro. We'll break down everything you need to know to enhance your trading strategy, so stick around to discover how to master this crucial pattern. Let's get started. Before we jump into the details of the White Marubozu, let's cover some essential basics every new trader should know. Here are 3 key points to kickstart your journey. Understanding terminology. Familiarize yourself with essential trading terms to communicate effectively in the market. Candlestick analysis. Master the art of interpreting candlestick patterns to make informed decisions. Basic market mechanics. Learn how supply and demand influence price movements. This is crucial for understanding market dynamics. Are you new to trading? Drop a comment below and let us know your trading goals. Now, let's get into the star of the show, the White Marubozu Candlestick. Here's how to master it. Identify the wicks. Look for the absence of upper and lower wicks in a White Marubozu. This indicates strong bullish sentiment. Assess the candle size. A larger body suggests a stronger bullish signal, which can be crucial for your trading decisions. Recognize reversal signals. White Marubozu candles often indicate potential bullish reversals, especially after a downtrend. Have you spotted a White Marubozu in your charts? Share your experience in the comments. Let's explore effective trading strategies using the White Marubozu pattern to enhance your success. Utilize support levels. Identify key support levels on your charts. When a White Marubozu forms near these levels, it can signal a bullish reversal. Focus on price action. Pay close attention to the price action that follows. A strong follow-through with increasing volume can confirm bullish sentiment. Combine with moving averages. Use moving averages to support your bullish bias. When the price is above the moving averages, it adds weight to your analysis. If you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Let's discuss some common misinterpretations traders make and how you can avoid them. Avoid overtrading. Resist the urge to trade excessively. This can lead to emotional decisions and losses. Understand risk management. Never underestimate the importance of risk management. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Don't chase trends. Jumping into trades based solely on recent movements can be risky. Always conduct thorough analysis first. What's your biggest trading challenge? Let's talk about it in the comments. To enhance your trading accuracy, consider using additional indicators alongside the White Marubozu. Here are 3 combinations to boost your success. Moving averages. Use them to confirm the strength of the trend indicated by the White Marubozu. Relative Strength Index. RSI. Use RSI to identify overbought or oversold conditions, supporting your entry or exit decisions. Volume analysis. Incorporate volume indicators to validate the strength behind the price movement indicated by the White Marubozu. Have you used indicators before? Share your favorite combinations in the comments so that you have it. By mastering the White Marubozu candlestick pattern, you can enhance your trading strategy and potentially unlock greater financial gains. Remember, understanding this pattern and implementing it effectively can make all the difference in your trading journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our future videos. We'll be diving into more trading strategies and tips, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!